Meron? Okay.
Happy birthday na.
Patag-isa kayo. Kunin niyo rin yung o yung bulaklak niyo, kunin niyo. Dalawa muna kayo. Dalawa kayo, ate. Ate, dalawa kayo. Close. Tapos mamaya solo-solo. 1, 2, 3. Close kayo, te. Close. Yan. Yan. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, ladies. Ladies, your birthday party will not without us singing happy birthday song, celebrants. And without you making your birthday wish and blowing your birthday candle. So everybody may let us all stand, join us here and sing happy birthday song to our birthday celebrants.
Boy, asan ang anong boy?
But before that, hold on. Ayun.
Hindi pa nasindihan
Ayan, para safe. Okay. Ladies from the back, let us join us here.
Okay, blow the cake.
Join us here para may photo souvenir ulit. Okay. Our guest, other guests, please join us here. Okay, are we all ready? Ladies, let us all stand. Come on and celebrate this is special occasion.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Once again, happy birthday to Madam Ina and Madam Lorna. Palakpakan naman natin, ladies. Ang ating birthday celebrant.
Happy birthday!
Before Madam Ina and Madam Lauren, would you like to say a few words to your friends and guests?
Sa inyo lahat na enjoy sa aming birthday ni Ina at maraming salamat sa pagdadasal ninyo sa amin.
Amen! Amen!
Ladies, beautiful ladies tonight, gorgeous, and wow! Wala akong masabi sa mga attire ninyo. So beautiful. Thank you so much for coming birthday tonight.
Ayan, pwede na yan.
Thank you, ladies.
Ina, pwede kayo doon umarap, oh.
Happy birthday.